Morning, folks. So this cart here was down in the pit while we're working on the Dodge. First, I want to let everybody know we have a Discord channel. The link is down below in the description. Come join us. We're in there chatting. At least we will be once we get some members in. Brand new channel. But anyway, back to the original video. Either brake clean, lubricant, transmission fluid, or antifreeze, or the combination did this to my socket rails, peeled all the paint out of the toolbox. It literally looked like it melted the plastic like it was an acid. Now, if you spray that on your engine, think about what it could do to them sensors, all them wires, them vacuum hoses. Some mechanics will use a lot of brake clean. I do not. You know, I use it basically on metal. But I see people like Raymond Ray and other companies who will go through 3-4 cans of brake clean on a car. We use O'Reilly brake cleaner. We use CRC, SuperTech Walmart lubricant. The antifreeze will drain out of this thing, and the transmission fluid. I could not tell you if it was a mixture of one, if it was one thing, two things, or everything that caused that. But whatever it was, it's some strong shit. And we need to be careful. Because if we had to wire this whole thing up, fix all those wiring in here, or figure out which sensor it ate up, it'd take forever. And it could be very bad. You have all them connectors underneath that hood. But just be careful what you're spraying in your engine bays or your wire harnesses. My parts cleaner has either kerosene or diesel fuel in it. I run no additives. I don't use no actual parts cleaner in mine, because you've got to be careful what you're using. Just imagine if you had to replace all that. I mean, it took every little bit of paint out of that thing. Melted the plastic in my trays. And you can say, well, it's because you ain't got a snap-on tool cart, or you ain't got metal racks for your sockets. It don't matter, because this plastic in this paint job is no cheaper than what's on this vehicle. So just be careful. We're going to do some testing on this weekend to see what caused it. And I'll let you know what the outcome is. Don't forget, 500 subs, we get to do a giveaway. The DoorTech metric ratchet wrench set. Join the Discord. Come in there to chat. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. Thank you.